Hello! So I just want to make a quick video to show how to make an animation blend in Unreal Engine. So we're gonna head into our content drawer right here, and we are going to create an animation blend space here. And you have to have a working skeleton, so I'm going to select the Wraith skeleton right here. Let's call it locomotion right here. And so from here we can open this. This is a new tab. Let's dock it in. And so first of all, because I have a complete skeleton with animations that go left and right, walking and sprinting, I will have to change my horizontal and vertical axis. So I am going to head here, and this is going to be the angle. And so the angle, we want it to be from 180 to minus 180 to 180. And the vertical axis is going to be our speed, so I'm also going to change this, and this is going to be 0 to 100. That's fine. Alright, next step is going to be to drag in our animations, and let's start with the walk animations. So the walk animations, we want them to happen at half of our speed, so they're gonna end up in the middle line right here. So backwards is going to sit on the very edge here, and also on the very edge on the other side right here. Then we want, I'm going to turn on the label so you can follow with me. So the forward walk is going to sit right in the middle here, so because this is like no angle, angle will be 0 and speed will be half 2. Then the backwards, the left and right walking will happen here, and the right walking will happen right here. Alright, so I'm just going to disconnect these, and from here I want to add the idle animation. So let's select one that is non-combat. There's a better one. We'll try this one. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it's a little bit like jittery, so I want to change this one. I think this one is better. Yeah, this one is more stable, so I'll use this one. And this is always going to happen when the speed is at 0, and this will happen at every angle. So here we go. Alright. And then what is left is going to be our sprinting animations. So we're gonna look for the jog ones, and I want the jog combat one, because it'll look a little bit better. So here, jog combat. So this is the backward one. It will happen at the top here, and it will also happen at, so it will happen at minus 180 and at plus 180. We are then going to take the jog right. It's gonna end up right here, and the jog left. Oh, I've selected the wrong one. It has to be combat. Where is it? Let's try to here, jog right combat. There we go. Then we're going to select jog forward combat right here, and then we only have to find the left one, and also with combat right here. Alright, and now we have it. So by pressing Ctrl you can have a preview on your graph right here, and we're just gonna check that everything is kind of running smoothly. So backward is working fine, and we're going more to the left, left running, forward. Oh, I went just a bit slightly above. Let's realign this one. Alright, walking, idle, that's all good, and then to the right, and backwards again. Perfect. It looks like it's working pretty fine, and that's all we'll need. Perfect. Thanks for watching.